Hey guys, Nick with Push Industries here. Going to talk to you today about snowblower chute hinges. And what we have here is an older 47-inch John Deere snowblower. It's definitely been used, not necessarily abused, but as you can see here, this still has its original plastic deflector hinge secured with aluminum pop rivets. You can see we're missing one. And when we take a closer look inside, you can kind of see why, as from the various debris, rocks, ice chunks really wreaks havoc on these rivets, and over time they eventually pop and break. And it's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but also there's a very faint white line going across from the constant up and down of the deflector, and over time that line will break. Not so much an issue when it's a stock chute deflector, but once you add a electric actuator, it really increases the cycle count of that deflector, putting more stress on that hinge. We've developed an all stainless steel metal version that's virtually indestructible that we're really excited about, and we're going to walk you through that here today. So our solution to the original plastic hinge is a fully stainless steel painted black hinge with stainless steel hardware, and all you're going to do is drill out the original factory aluminum rivets and replace it with these stainless steel screws. And within the kit you have the option of using traditional nuts and washers or cap nuts if desired. And you can see it has the same range of motion in the down position as well as the up position. And again, this isn't an accessory that's often needed if you have the standard manual chute deflector. However, we find when you upgrade to the electric actuator to control your chute, you start to put a lot of stress, more so than was ever designed with the original John Deere plastic hinge. Nice, cost-effective, simple way to replace a problem. And for those of you that don't know what a chute deflector actuator is, it's essentially a method to easily control your deflector without having to get off the tractor, and makes it easy to prevent material going on already worked surfaces or into delicate landscapes such as shrubs and other things. Very handy tool, and it's one of those things that once you've used it for a while, you'd be surprised you lived without it. Some other unique features on this blower is our Push Industries 320 degree chute rotation kit. So it eliminates all your cables and switches over to a chain with a hydraulic motor. As you can see here, so you'll never have any issues with broken cables. The reason this is called the 320 degree chute rotation kit is it will allow your chute to rotate 320 degrees, almost a full 360. Your stock rotation is about 180, so it's going to come out 90 from here. The 320 degree kit is going to allow the chute to rotate all the way back here, almost hitting the tractor when it's fully rotated. So again, as you're working up close to areas It's going to prevent material from going into places you don't want it and give you a lot more control. And as you can also see, we have our upgraded 4-blade impeller, which gets rid of the plastic from John Deere that is prone to breaking, and the 4-blade will also give you more trajectory, does better in heavier snow, and you'll find that you can get the same distance without having to run your RPMs quite so high.